YouTube, I am Lime Green. Today I wanted to film, I am going out. I wanted to attempt to get my eyeshadow to kind of match this dress right here. It's like a mustard and then it's a dark teal color. So on camera it looks really light, but it's actually darker than this. This is Fashion Nova. This is the Dive into the Universe mustard. So if I don't find an actual photo to link it right there, sorry, but if I did. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to I'm going to attempt to do a look that'll match this. So if you want to see how it turns out, keep on watching. So right now I did prime my eyes. I used the Ulta concealer and the Ulta foundation. These are basically the same shade, but I buy the foundation because I get more product and it's about the same formula to me, in my opinion. So I use that to conceal my eyes. I am going to use the Natasha Denona Mini. This is the Mini Nude palette. I'm going to use the shade Sienna 50 DC, this shade right here, as my transition shade. Now I'm probably about to play my music while I get ready to get myself in the mood to go out. I made a big accomplishment in stepping into my makeup career. So I did a whole, kind of like a whole job change, because I used to do accounting. Now I'm transitioning into the makeup industry and beauty. Well, basically the beauty industry. I'm going to cosmetology school. So I'm going to celebrate tonight because I finally get to do something that I want to do and that I love to do and that I have a passion for. So yeah, let's jump into finishing this look and let's see if you guys will like it or not. So now I did pack on the color using the Morphe M506 brush. This is my favorite brush. This is the smallest blending brush that I have. So yeah, I'm going to use my other Morphe 506 brush to blend this out. And while I blend this out, I normally pick up a little bit of the brown, but I wait until I get it pretty blended before I add it so that it can flow. So I'm just going to blend this out. And this is going to take a minute, so I will be right back. This is going to take at least 10 minutes on each eye, so one moment. So y'all, I am stuck between two colors to use on my lid to match that dress. I am stuck between this color that looks very mustardy, but it has an orange, it's more on the orange side, and I'm stuck on this shade. I don't know. To play it safe, I am going to apply the matte shade, and if I don't like it, then I'm going to put the shimmer on top. So yeah, let's see how that turns out. Okay, so bit orange. So that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to search through my collection to see if I can find, you know, another color. So I found my Profusion palette that I bought from San Antonio, Texas while I was on vacation there. The shade I'm gonna use is, of course, this yellow shade. So I'm gonna dig in it with my brush and pick it up and whatnot. Keep digging it so my brush can have a nice amount on it. So I applied the color on my lid. Now I'm just gonna go in with the same brown shade in my Natasha Denona palette. I'm just, you know, swishing a few times because I need to blend the edges with that brown. So this is pretty much it for this section. Now I'm going to line my eyes up. So I did my eyeliner and I, you know, cleaned it up. I always do this every time I do a wing liner. I always go in with the same concealer I use for my eyebrows because when I highlight, it's gonna disappear anyway. So yeah, I'm going to find some. Okay, so I'm gonna see how these lashes look. This is the number 10 False Mink Soul. These are my favorite new lashes. They're only $2.99 at my local beauty supply store. So if you ever see me wearing lashes, it's going to be most likely these because this is my holy grail when it comes to lashes. They have so many different styles. So check out your local beauty supply store for these lashes. So, one moment. Okay, so I put my lashes on. Now I'm about to do my foundation, my highlight and contour. Wine.
Refund, and it's #1 rated in the tax prep site.
What's the business, baby? What it is, ho? What's up? Can a nigga get in them good?
Okay, y'all, so I did finish the look. Now I'm gonna turn the camera. I want it to where it can get my dress. So I will include pictures. Hopefully I don't forget by getting too drunk. But I am stuck, y'all. I don't know what I should do for my lip color. So should I do teal or a nude? I don't know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play with some colors. First, I need my music. First, I gotta moisturize these lips. So let's see if this shade will work.
Work hard just to get high back. Get into it that way. I ain't coming through unless the same straight. I used to work hard just to get high back. Work hard just to...
Everybody, so I was gonna go with the teal look, the teal lipstick, but I cannot find my teal lip liner, so it looks a hot mess. I might still keep it in the video just so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but I'm just gonna go with a nude like always. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. And